Hi, I'm Dr. Wadwani from Bellevue, Washington, and I'm here to talk to you about one of the biggest issues that we have in implant dentistry, abutment screw failure, with a reported failure rate of between 5 and 14% over a 5-year period. So how do we prevent this common problem? The major reason is the tools that we use, the implant torque wrench. Is your implant torque wrench working correctly? So today we're going to test an implant torque wrench using the manual torque tester from ImplantWise. Included here in the kit is a calibrated torque measuring instrument and a connector tool. Also included is a smart marker for the use with the beam torque wrench. What you'll need is your preferred torque wrench that you use for implant screw tightening. So first we'll demonstrate with a beam implant torque wrench. Then we're going to use the toggle style torque wrench. Let's start with the beam torque wrench. We're going to compare its readings with that of a verified manual torque tester. The first thing that you will do is you will take the torque tester and set a value on it. Choose any value that exists on your implant torque wrench. So let's use 35 Newton centimeters, which is a common value. Remember first to unlock the mechanism on the manual torque tester. Also, we have a peak indicator to be used on the implant beam wrench. This is the smart marker. You slide this on the beam wrench, it will read the maximum peak value. Now connect your torque tester to your implant torque wrench with the ImplantWise control connector tool. Holding the torque tester vertically, rotate your implant wrench until you hear a click on the torque tester. This tells us the torque tester has been activated and this is your torque. Now read off the smart marker's peak value and compare the two. The first thing that you will do is you will set a test value on your manual torque wrench. You'll pick a value that is similar to the value or the same as the value on your implant toggle torque wrench. Connect the appropriate design connector to your manual torque wrench and connect the other end to your implant toggle wrench. Activate the implant toggle wrench. What you will find is the weaker of the two will actually click first. For example, if your torque wrench, implant torque wrench is set at 20 Newton centimeters but it breaks before the click on the manual screwdriver, your toggle implant screwdriver is at a weaker value. If, on the other hand, you hear a click well before you reach 20 Newton centimeters on your implant toggle torque wrench, then your implant toggle torque wrench is reading too high. By altering the value of the manual torque wrench, you can determine exactly how close your implant toggle driver is, because these both should click somewhat simultaneously. And there you have it. You've taken 30 seconds to verify the accuracy of your implant torque wrench and ensure the best possible outcome for your patients.